It's financial season, a lot of people doing their taxes, but insurance will continue to be the center of the conversation for people who've been affected by the March 31st tornado.
And now, as we approach the anniversary of the storm, insurance officials are reporting back to lawmakers about the cost of that day.
THV 11's Sarah Herbakowitz explains how a stormy year created a cloudy situation.
In Little Rock's Walnut Valley neighborhood, cul-de-sacs have turned to empty lots, like Dylan Bevel Smith's.
There's a ping of sadness, but also there's a beacon of hope that's sparked in a lot of us here in the neighborhood to watch our community grow again.
As a member of the HOA board, he says one of the biggest hurdles for neighbors to move back to the area is insurance.
One of our neighbors, he wants to, but he's still waiting on insurance.
But in a hearing at the Capitol today, state and national insurance agencies say they're also struggling, reporting billions in losses over the last few years, paying out more than they're making.
There has been an increase in frequency and severity of convective storms in Arkansas. As the frequency of those storms pick up, insurers have to adjust their rates to account for that.
And compliance director for the Arkansas Insurance Department, Jimmy Harris, says that's not the only reason your rates could go up.
During all of these claims over the last year, they have discovered that there are many properties that were underinsured and not really accounting for the increased costs of materials.
For the March tornado alone, the department reports over $500 million have been paid out to Arkansans.
I would say we're around 90 to 95% of those claims in the personal lines market are indeed closed.
But those living in Walnut Valley have a different perspective.
I laugh at 95%. There's no way that statistic is right. Some of these homes that look like they haven't been touched, well, the reason some of them haven't been touched is because insurance just now, after almost a year, came out for the very first time to talk with the homeowner, send an adjuster.
Meanwhile, insurance companies work to stay in business.
Every time somebody files a claim, every time there's a hailstorm, it is hard on the industry right now. I think every insurer is looking for ways to mitigate risks.
And Arkansans prepare for a likely rate increase.
If they actually are going to increase the rates, it would actually be able to see some more clear communication on what things actually cover.
Reporting at the Capitol, Sarah Herbakowitz, THV 11 News.
Sarah, thank you. Lawmakers also discussed possible legislation to allow for a stronger, more affordable rebuilding process, though that's not expected to move forward until the 2025 legislative session.